Hey there guys, how you doing today? My name's Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this video we will show you how to install the 3-paddle kit on your Herman Miller Aeron classic chair. Let's get started. Okay folks, so the first thing we're going to do is remove the seat here on our Aeron classic chair, and to do so we need to remove the 2 bolts on this side and the 2 bolts on the same side on the other side of the chair. Go down here, set that to the side. And the bottom one. Alrighty, the seat should come off now. Lift up and set the seat off to the side. Okay, so in order to remove this plastic clamshell cover here, we would like to carefully remove it with a plastic tool. And there are 2 access points on the front and 2 connection points on the back. So we're just going to get our tool in here and just kind of pry it in there until we pop one right there, pop the second one off there. We'll spin it around to the back. Alright, so we'll just find the access point in the back and just pop it off there. Like so. Tilt it forward. For more tips and information, hit the like and subscribe button. Alright, now that we have the cover removed, we are going to install our 3-paddle kit. So we would like to place the 3-paddle kit right here on the left side of the chair. It's going to just slide into those grooves like so. Going to grab your screw that comes with the kit. She's just going to go in there and tighten it. Tighten it down with a Phillips number 2. So with some Aeron chairs, we have found that they are missing the gears to properly work with a 3-paddle kit. We have included them with the 3-paddle kit. You will need to install those as well, and we will definitely show you how to do that if you need to. Alrighty folks, so you see these springs right here. Those should come with your chair. You're going to need to reuse those with your new 3-paddle kit. So first thing I'm going to do is remove the spring from the gear right here. And set it there gently. Next thing we need to do is remove this metal clip off the plastic gear. I just have a flathead screwdriver and just pop it right off like so. Alright, so next we want to remove this gear. We just want to apply some downward pressure on the back of your chair to release the tension. Should pull right off. So this would be where you install one of the gears. If it's missing or it's broken, you need to replace it. So we're going to tilt back on the chair with my upper hand and slide the gear in there like so. Okay, so we're going to reinstall the spring on the back here. Grab a hold of it. Attach it to the new gear, like so. Okay, so once we have the spring properly installed back on the new gear, we're going to reinstall the C-clip and give it a snap in. Alright, to install the cables, we do want to remove this plastic piece and just push it down there, like so. Alright, now that that's done, we will fish our metal cable around the gear and insert it like so, and clip it in there through the groove like so. And we'll go back to over here on this side. So the first step is to remove this C-clip right here. I'm just using a flathead screwdriver. I'm just going to get underneath and apply some pressure up. Should pop right out. I'm going to go ahead and remove this gear. Detach the spring from the top gear and let it hang down. And this is the gear we're going to replace. Okay, so we're going to reinstall the gear We're going to have the posts line up through the hole in the chair. And we need to reattach the spring. We will bring in our 3-paddle kit cable, and it can only go in one way. And lock it into place. Throw the other gear back on. And finally reinstall the C-clip. So now we have our cables installed correctly in their correct spots. We will install the handles properly. Only go in one direction. And pop the other one on like that. There we go. Alrighty, so from here, be a good idea to take a cloth or a microfiber rag you may have and do some cleaning. Get some of the dust in here. This tends to be an area of the chair that collects dust, so might as well clean while we have the seat off. Okay, so once we have the handles properly installed, it's time to reinstall the plastic cover. You want to raise the bottom up till it clicks into place. And to install the top, we want to start with the front first, clip in the first 2 clips, and clip in the back after that. So after we have the plastic cover properly installed, it's time to reinstall the seat. We're going to reverse the process from earlier, starting on one side, line up the seat, we'll swing the bracket down, line it up, and tighten that bolt down. We'll go back to this side now. And we'll line the bottom bracket up with the bottom bolts and go ahead and tighten that one down. And you are all set there, folks. Okay, so that's all there is to it. That's how you install the 3-paddle kit on your Herman Miller Aeron Classic chair. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. And please like and subscribe below. Have a great day, guys. Blooper. Blooper. Okay. I never talked about cleaning either. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much I don't like that. I don't like that. Start over. Check. Mic check. Mic check. I'm looking for a spring for an Aeron chair. Don't lose your spring.